An analyst wants to compare the average daily time Gen Z and millennials spend on a specific social media platform. To do this, they survey 20 users from each group. In this video, we will construct a 98% confidence interval for the difference between these two population means, and use it to determine whether the difference in their daily usage is statistically significant. Since the population standard deviations are unknown and we assume equal variances across both groups, we use the t-distribution with a pooled variance. Now, to construct a 98% confidence interval for the difference between two population means, we use this formula. Here, the point estimate is the difference between the sample means, and the margin of error is the product of our t-critical value and the pooled standard error. In our survey, Gen Z users spent an average of 115 minutes per day with a standard deviation of 18 minutes. Millennial users spent an average of 102 minutes per day with a standard deviation of 20 minutes. This gives us a point estimate of 13 minutes. With equal sample sizes of 20 each, we calculate the pooled standard deviation, which results in a standard error of approximately 6.02. To find the t-critical value, we calculate the degrees of freedom using this formula. With 20 users in each group, our degrees of freedom is 38. Now, looking at the t-distribution table for 38 degrees of freedom and a two-tailed significance level of 0.02, we find a t-critical value of approximately 2.4286. Multiplying the t-critical value of 2.4286 by our standard error of 6.02 gives us a margin of error of approximately 14.61. To find the lower and upper limits, we subtract and add the margin of error to our point estimate of 13, which gives us a lower limit of -1.61 and an upper limit of 27.61. This means, we are 98% confident that the true difference in the average daily time spent on this platform between Gen Z and millennials is between -1.61 and 27.61 minutes. Because the interval includes 0, we cannot conclude that there is a statistically significant difference in the average daily time spent between the two generations at a 2% significance level.